Well, I wouldn't know. I haven't kissed her.
Oh, don't do that to yourself. Any one of us could have tripped over that little girl's jump rope. So, listen, guys, are we okay here?
That shows a sign Fran has to do.
Okay. Okay, so can I have my hat back?
You don't want him pushing
No.
against that.
Bye, Monica. How's it going?
She's a demonstration of how this is.
Yeah, we got it. Take your time.